If the sash in your double hung window is continuing to sag or slide down unassisted, it may be time to replace the balances within your Jambliner. Before you can replace the metal balance tubes, you must first remove the Jambliner. For step-by-step instructions on removing your Jambliner, watch our video, How to Remove and Install Double Hung Jambliners. This video will guide you through the process of removing and replacing the balance tube for Kolbe double hung windows manufactured before and after September 2004. To remove the balance tubes for double hung windows manufactured before September 2004, begin by disengaging the clutch system by wedging a flat screwdriver into the top of the clutch and turning it slightly clockwise for the left side and counterclockwise for the right side. Stretch the spring just enough to release the teeth on the clutch. While still applying pressure, guide the clutch up slowly. A word of caution, please never place your fingers in the Jambliner between the clutch and the balance tube. The clutch is under tension and could snap towards the balance tube, creating potential for physical harm. For double hung windows manufactured after September 2004, insert a flat screwdriver into the clutch and rotate a quarter of a turn. Once the hooks of the clutch are released, guide the clutch up slowly while applying pressure until it contacts the bottom of the balance tube. Once the clutches are fully retracted, the balance tubes can be slid out of the top of the vinyl track. Install the new balance tubes using the fastening clips with the long S-clip for the bottom or interior sash and the fastening clip with the short S-clip for the top or exterior sash. Slide the block and tackle into the Jambliner until the fastening clips can be hooked into the Jambliner. Using a flat screwdriver and applying pressure, pull the clutch out or down 2/3 of the remaining opening and turn the clutch a quarter of a turn to lock into place. This will allow easier installation of the sash later. The removal and replacement of the balance tubes is complete, and the Jambliner is ready to be reinstalled. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, please visit our website at kolbewindows.com.